Yes, checking now. Checking my audio now. Yes, I think we are good to go. Yeah. So good evening everyone and welcome to post-market analysis of the benchmark indices Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty by Finance with AB on 10th of October. We have had another positive day in Nifty after continuous 9 trading sessions in the red. So this is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading sessions in the red. The rally which follows is steep, and that is really good news for the market. And today we have significantly crossed 25,200 and in fact closed comfortably about 25,200, and that is a very good signal of bullishness. So as the thumbnail reads, the momentum is to continue, probably yes. And today's main event, or yesterday after market hours, the main event was the TCS results which were announced, and the results, though the results were not really good, the results are not in fact very bad either. So as I said yesterday, a result which is not very bad can also be a good news, a good result. But on the same day TCS has fallen by almost I think 1.2%. We'll come back to that. And the IT index has also closed in the negative, but it is only the IT index which has closed in the negative, and almost all other sectors have closed in the positive. So Nifty had a positive momentum in the morning and it was just consolidation afterwards. Nifty tried to close and cross above and rally beyond 25,300, but then the bears took control, and even though the bulls did not give up, so we had a consolidation between almost 50 to 60 points for the last or the major part of the day. Almost for 4 hours we had the consolidation, more than 4 hours. So that's it for Nifty, and Nifty is now, we can consider Nifty to be technically bullish, and that for Sensex is also a very similar story. Sensex opened gap up, slightly gap down, very slightly, I think almost flat, but Nifty opened slightly, very slightly, I think it was at par with yesterday's closing. The thing was, GIFT Nifty was indicating a negative opening, almost 20 to 30 points negative opening, but Nifty opened flat and gave a good rally in the initial 1 hour, okay, maximum 1 hour to 40 minutes to 1 hour time. And that's what we had in Sensex. When we go take a look at Bank Nifty, it was even more bullish. Bank Nifty continued the rally till almost 11 o'clock, and after that it was consolidation again. So the indices which outperformed Nifty today was comfortably Bank Nifty, expecting positive outlook, good results from the banking sector, corporate results, and the Fin Nifty also 0.4% up. See, Nifty IT has in fact closed in the negative, flat to negative. Metal sector closing almost 1% down due to profit booking. Pharma is up by 1.3%, and Pharma, yesterday it was metal who rallied the most, and it can be considered kind of a profit booking. Now we have overnight positions for Monday, expecting theta decay as well as positivity in the market. So we have done a bull put spread, shorting 25,000 to be on the safer side, 25,000, and covering it up with a 24,850 put option. So that's it for the analysis, the market levels, and we go to the open interest data, where we have the open interest for the upcoming week expiry, which is 14th of October, and see, this becomes quite tricky. One day market the PCR is almost 1.5, the next day it is 0.6, the other day it comes to 1.0, now it's 1.4. So definitely market is in the bull side. So there is enough support at 25,000, 25,100, 25,200. There is a very huge support. So generally definitely looking on the positive side, and if we are to get a pullback, maximum to 25,000, probably 100 to 200 levels is what we can expect in this scenario, because the level of put writing in 25,100 or 200 is significantly high. And today what we had is also a short covering rally, mainly because the futures premium has also gone up from almost yesterday it was almost 100 points premium, now almost 130 points premium. So the futures price have also gone up, so it is definitely due to short covering, and that is also positive sign for the market. As things stand, the PCR is 1.4, indicating bullishness. The next stop obviously could be 25,500 levels. This year's high is 25,650, and that could also be tested due to the result season coming up. Now, the FIDA data, yes, I in fact forgot to move to the FIDA data. FIIs today in FIIs history have turned bullish for the fourth consecutive day, and this has not happened for I think for some months, I guess, or some weeks at least. Definitely in the last, not in the last 4 to 5 weeks, definitely not. 4 consecutive day where FIs are bullish in futures as well as cash segment, so that is also some sort of positivity with the help of DIs as well. DIs have bought for 1700 crore and FIs for only 459 crore, but at least they are not net sellers. Futures, they are bullish again. The total OI, I know it is 1.81 lakh negative, but still they are being bullish in futures for the last 4 trading sessions. FIs have bought calls, FIs have bought puts as well, but they have bought puts in more number. So FIs are also generally turning bullish in Indian market. We go take a look at the major indices across the globe. So by the time it gets loaded, SGX Nifty currently indicating a slightly gap up opening in the upcoming day, which is on Monday, which also helps our position because we have shorted 25,000 put. Now, yesterday US markets were down, and today also they are down. They are continuing the downfall. So it is 0.5 to 1% down. So there is some sort of clear negativity in US markets, but that is from the all-time high as well, can be considered profit booking. Europe is also down, US is also down. Asian markets were generally down yesterday. Today also they are generally trading in the red. So it is only the Indian market which is performing well. 2 to 3 things which are to be noted. See, TCS came up with the results, and even though TCS closed in the negative, the IT closed in the negative, but generally the result was not really bad, so the market went up. That is one reason. The other thing, Asian markets were yesterday trading in the negative, but we traded in the positive today. We closed almost, I think, 0.4% up, somewhere around 0.4% up. That is also a good thing. The other thing, SGX Nifty indicated a negative opening, but we had kind of a flat opening, and we rallied in the initial half an hour, 45 minutes. So these 3 things indicating strength, and at no point in today's market we faced a situation where we could see some sort of negativity. We were not at all negative in the market today. So an entire day of one positivity and then continuation, so that is also good for the market. So generally things looking good, and I hope many of your portfolios as well are turning in the coming to the green, I guess. So that's it for the post market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as Sensex, and the key levels to watch out for Nifty. Obviously in the upcoming day will be today's high. Definitely we could be in for 25,400 immediately, possibly after we cross 25,330. If we get a gap up opening, expect Nifty to fall back to probably 25,300 and then go up. Probably 25,200 is also expected, but we could face resistance definitely at 25,500 to 600 levels, so expect that to happen as well. Any call writing I think should be done above that. Now thanks everyone for watching. See you on Monday in the live trading session. Till we meet again, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.